Alright guys, I promised y'all an updated video. This is a 2009 Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Nomad with the Batwing. We got it on. Sorry about the light, it's not that good. That's a luggage rack I built for it. It's got the Vance&Hines exhaust on it. I just got it back, got the computer back from Ivan's. He done my computer flash for me. It's amazing. Anybody's got one of these bikes, you have to get this done. This is a completely different, this bike don't even run the same. The guy does an awesome job. Bought some Avon grips, air injected grips. They're really nice. Bike runs, it starts better. It just a lot better bike. The throttle response on this thing is crazy. I'll try to do a better video of it when I can get it outside. That's pretty much it. I put a dual USB charger in it right here. But that's her. I was seriously thinking about getting rid of it because I just wasn't happy with the way it run at all. But now, after he done the computer on it, guys, I'm telling you, if you got one of these bikes, spend the money, it's worth it. The guy does an awesome job. Thanks for watching.